Welcome to this screencast on how to research the Occupational Outlook Handbook. Here we are on the Albany High School library page, and if you click on Research, it will bring us to this landing page here where we're going to click on the link for the Occupational Outlook Handbook. If you'd like to watch this screencast again, here is the link to watch it. We're going to go ahead and open this resource. This resource is used to research job titles or careers that you might be interested in after graduation. For our sample search, I'm going to enter a high school teacher job for us to look at some of the results that it returns. I'm going to click on high school teachers, and we're going to see some of the basic information about this job. So the 4 tabs that you're going to be working through are going to include the summary. It's going to include what they do for the job title that you're researching, what is the work environment, and how to become one. Those 4 tabs are going to have the answers to the questions that your research asks. The summary tells us a little bit about what the pay is. It tells us what some of the education required is, and it even gives a percentage of how fast this job is growing. When you click on what they do, it gets a little bit more specific, and it talks about what high school teachers do. We plan lessons, we grade students' assignments, we work with individual students, right? These are called duties. These are the job duties that a high school teacher does. There's also some details about perhaps what they specialize in, whether they're an art teacher or a math teacher, etc. The next tab talks about the work environment. This will explain where that job takes place, whether it's inside or outside, whether it's on top of a roof or in an office building, etc. It also explains what the work schedules are. This actually explains that teachers generally work during school hours when students are present. They may meet with parents or students and other teachers before and after school. So it will explain the details for that schedule. The last tab you want to focus on is how to become one. It will explain for your job title what the requirements are. You may have to have education or training. You may have to obtain a license or a certification in order to complete your job. Each one of the job titles will be very specific about what the requirements are. So you're going to use this website. Again, it's linked on the Albany High research page, which is listed or posted in the room that we're sitting in. So go ahead and get started. Thanks for listening.